All right. Good morning. I got a little break here. I'm doing some day trading here, but have a little break here. Got some news, so I got about 10, 15 minutes here. But I just wanted to show you how to create a thumbnail for YouTube, and also a banner for YouTube. And then I'm going to show you kind of what I did and let you know kind of what I've landed on for this for my YouTube channel. And I've landed on travel, I think, is what I'm going to do. But let's go in here to canva.com. It's real simple to sign up. You can just sign up for a free account using your Google account. But what I've learned as far as YouTube is concerned is that the thumbnail is very important because that's what's going to attract people and draw people to click on your video. So let's just look here. So first, we'll go to, we're on the home page here. We will go to here, the search menu, and search for YouTube thumbnail, like so. And say we want to do, I don't know, say we want to make money online. See what that brings up. I don't know. It's gonna be slow. Okay. So you can see all these banners here. And let's see, all these are pro. Let's see, paid. Actually, I'm in another account, so I don't have access to all these. Unfortunately, I probably should have done this on my other account. You can, I forget what it costs. I think maybe $14 a month. You can get all these cool ads. Let's see if I can use this one. Nope. Good. Do we have any free thumbnails? Let's see. I might have to create one from scratch. It's super easy though if you can grab one of these, because they really have some cool thumbnails. Oh boy. I don't know that I'm going to be much help to you today. Create a design. Let's try this. Thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, maybe this will pop up some. There we go. Here we go. That popped up some free stuff here. And you can do all kinds of things like this, like I always like putting maybe an arrow here somewhere, just to draw attention. So I can go over here to elements, click on arrow, see if we can find something that's free. Boom. I can move this around. Let's see here. Yeah, move it around. And I can make this, I don't know, let's make it a bright yellow or something. I can do that. And then you can change your image here. Or you can adjust the image, you can edit the photo, you can, let's see, edit photo, we can put filters on it, you know, all kinds of stuff we can do here. We can increase, let's see, what does this do? shadow. Let's not do that. But anyways, you can see there's many things you can do. You can change the wordings here on your banners. I don't know. Let's do this. What you should know, or I like secrets. You should know. Can adjust the size of it like that. You can click on all these little adjust size. So you can customize those however you want in Canva. And then of course you can share it to download, and I always pick probably a PNG is the best for your download. Then you simply go to your YouTube channel and upload it as your thumbnail on your video, and maybe we'll make some videos about that. And then, sorry, I'm watching my charts here as I'm doing this as well, so I've got about, I don't know, 5 more minutes before I need to start paying attention here. But let's go. You can do the same for your banner on YouTube. Let's see here. I don't want to. Let's get out of here. Go back home. Back home, we can go to create design. Let's go to a YouTube banner. And one thing you want to be aware of when you're creating a YouTube banner is this. On your banner, that's the only thing that's going to show. The rest of it is going to be cut off. So that's one thing to be aware of, because a lot of these, like this, for instance, that shows that's filling up that whole space. That's going to be cut off. This is going to be cut off. Let me see here. Where was that other one? So I like picking stuff that's already kind of got that little space, like these. Let's see if we can pick this. So again, same thing with these. You could upload your own picture here. You could upload a logo there. You can change your, you can change your text there. You can, adjust it however you want. You can make it bigger or smaller, just like the other one. And again, download. And really, that's all there is to that. So hopefully that was helpful. And like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing. I've decided on going with travel as my channel, and I'm just going to be doing some research on the best places to go for travel, whether it's backpacking or a Bahama tropical vacation. And who knows, with this, I'm going to be able to write off some vacations if I do a video on for my channel. So that's kind of cool. But just, places to go, maybe some travel tips, how to pack a bag and not take so much clothes with you. I know, man, when we go on vacation, gee whiz. If we're going for a week, or it's hard to pack, and I use, typically when I'm doing packing, I use those little vacuum packs, bags, which work pretty good. I might go over some tips on how to do that, as well as what to pack when you're flying, what not to do when you're flying, just stuff like that. And top 10 places to visit in the United States, around the world, whatever. Just, anyways, let me show you my channel banner, which if you're on here, you can check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've landed on the name Go Travel Adventures, and I created all these banners that I just showed you and this logo on Canva. So it's a really, really cool tool to use. And I created this thumbnail for my trading. I did a trading video, done a few more. I'll put those on there as well for anyone interested in trading. There'll be a couple videos on there, just the strategy that I use. Anyways, that's really about it. I think I'm excited about the channel. Hope everything runs smoothly and I'm able to get it up and going, man. And I hope you enjoy the content that I'm going to be providing. And yeah, I'm sorry, I'm looking at a trade here. I've got to be watching. Let me see if I can. I liked some channels that. Let's see. Oh yeah, so I went through and I went through and looked at some channels that are kind of doing the same thing. Here's Scenic Hunter. So they'll be similar to this, is what I'm going to be doing. So, anyways, hopefully it's going to be helpful, and hopefully you're going to like what you see, and man, take off from there. The first one that I'm planning on doing is...
Order submitted.
Sorry, I did an order on my trading here. The first one I'm going to do is
order canceled.
Going to be called the best places, the most remote places that you can go to get away. So that should be fun for any of you real adventurers out there. We love traveling. My wife and I love to travel. We have a Jeep with a rooftop tent, and we love going to camping up in the mountains and just doing that kind of stuff. So we may do some videos on that in the future. Overlanding. Love it. Love doing that. But yeah, it's going to be fun. Hope you will enjoy it and just get a lot of tips from it. So let's see. We went to Colorado. We went to the Black Hills. We went to South Dakota, and we loved it there. We also love going to Colorado. Been to Estes several times. We went to Silverton area. Was that 2 or 3 years ago? I think it's been 3 years ago, and absolutely fell in love with that area. Just fun stuff. You go out camping and doing the overland thing, man, that's a whole different ballgame, because you're going out there and you're just kind of winging it. You don't know where you're going to be camping for the night. You just kind of drive up in the mountains and hope you find a place, and it's all dispersed camping out there. It's free to camp anywhere anywhere there's a national forest.
Order submitted.
Those things it's free to camp. So we absolutely love doing that. But anyway, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it, and I missed this trade. Doggone it. That was a good one. Oh well. Like and comment. Say if you got any video ideas, you can put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And other than that, man, it's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to this journey. This is my screen capture here. I hope it all recorded here this morning. But anyway, doggone it, that makes me so mad. I had the perfect setup, was ready to roll, and it did not come back and hit my limit order. I hate it when that happens. Oh, doggone it. Anyway, all right, I'm going to wrap this up. You guys have a great day. Safe travels. Go travel, baby. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Well, I probably won't talk to you soon, but, well, maybe if you leave a comment, I'll reply in there and we'll talk that way. So, anyways, see you soon.